Cheers.
Mini avocado.
Salud.
I've already had a vomit this morning, that was great. Machu Picchu is right there. Day 2.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Losing
track of
You ready to
time.
go again?
Yeah, man.
All downhill today. Hey.
It begins into the misty air. Ooh. Whoa, look at that up there. Look at these things. That's where our campsite was yesterday, and we go upwards, or inwards to the jungles. This is whack, man.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Is that jungle behind?
Henry
In the
sleeps tonight.
mountain? Crazy, right?
It's like such a different scenery.
You're a shaggy little boy.
Oh, shake that food.
Shit.
From the cactus. You are again, son, because you are together traveling.
Oh, hell yeah.
Dead stuffed animals in there if you want to check it out.
Dead stuffed animals?
Yeah, pretty funny.
Oh, he's holding like a ferret or something.
What? Hey, pick it up.
Man, this animal only eats brains from like chicken. So they attack chicken and they eat their brains out.
Somebody turn this into a meme.
Don't make
Yum.
contact with me when you're eating.
I'll bite it. Good.
You gotta eat it in a non-phallic way.
Fresh passion fruit ice cream. Ice block. It's by far been the easiest day. So cool. Let's go across this little bridge. Oh, there's a bridge. There's a bridge.
Gracias. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mini avocados.
Mini avocado. Ah, it's avocado. It just tastes like avocado. There's a little thing in the middle. It's a seed for seed. Day 3 has been a much chiller day, no? We woke up at the same time, 5 AM. Had breakfast, started walking at 6:30, and it's now 11:30. So we've been walking for a while, but we'll probably get to the lunch spot soon, and then we got hot springs. You! Catcha! We're gonna play football.
We go play football? Football is life.
It's a cool town, man. How excited. Walking down for the day. Shoe off time.
DJ salud. Salud. Salud.
Oh yeah, baby. How you finding that?
That does smell like coffee.
Cheers. So,
What's that? Salud.
Perfect. Oh wow, that is strong.
oh, that's so good.
That's straight rub rocket fuel.
It's far down. Hola. Oh my god. This is wild, right? Yeah, the surroundings are beautiful, and then it's like, and then there's humans. This is so weird. What the hell is this place? Doesn't look that natural. Yeah, man.
Take a shower in this one. This is warm.
This one in the middle.
Yeah, and then all these are cold.
I kind of want a cold one. Who wants to have a cold shower with me? Cold and then go into the warm. Those are the warm ones. I'm gonna go in the cold one. It's cold.
It's very cold.
It's actually not that cold. So natural. It's full of natural beauty. Oh, it is actually warm. It is warm. It is warm. It is warm. Oh yeah, it is warm. Oh wow, guys.
Come to the pool. You may or may not get a disease. Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Come on, guys. Stop it.
Well, this is sexy lifeguard, man.
Be unbearable. So day 3, bit of a slow start. No, day 4. Sorry, day 4. Had a bit of a party last night. Bit too much Pisco, bit too much rum. So I don't think we're all feeling too pretty. And we've been walking dead uphill for the last, what, 2 hours?
2 hours?
It's been about 2 hours, yeah. It's been good. I've got coca in my mouth, that's why I'm chewing on stuff. I'm not being rude. I've already had a vomit this morning, that was great. Very good bowel explosion, which was really fun. Feeling a lot better now. Sweated, I've sweat a lot. We're deep in the jungle. It's misty. And in about 30 minutes we're gonna be able to see Machu Picchu, aren't we?
Is it 30 minutes?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know if we'll see it, but fingers crossed. Let's do it. So crazy. It's getting colder. He's got a cool spot. Bread with avocado, coffee with milk. All these ferns remind me of New Zealand.
It's all part of travelling.
We've all been there.
We've definitely all been there.
Go, Mart. Poor Mart. We'll let her have her privacy. Another pit stop. Cheers. Killing it. Fluffy trees. Everywhere, fluffy trees.
Yeah, do you want to get the speaker out, George?
I'll play some. Oh my god.
Beat that damn dime.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Yeah, it should be over there. So you're supposed to see Machu Picchu out there. We got a little view.
Saw a glimpse.
Got a little glimpse. Time to go into the jungle. Whoa. Cheeks are full of coca. Machu Picchu is right there. So close, wow. Whoa.
Welcome.
That's Machu Picchu. The end is in sight. So cool. Disculpa.
Oh my gosh.
We think we're at the bottom of the steep bit. Going down fucking hurts your knees. Jesus. Your knees and your ass. So much pain, but a lot to gain. crazy. That was fun. Black ground.
Hell yeah.
Come on, lunch. Oh, look at this fella. Absolute vibes. Explain it to me again, Mark.
So in the olden days, it's made from fermented purple corn, but the way they fermented it was just chewing it up in their mouths and then spitting out the juice that came out. That's like
And then that's how they make this
yeah,
juice.
but not anymore.
Well, this is the black one, right?
It's my phone. Yeah.
Oh man, it's so good. I think that's the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. More soup. We love soup out here.
I'm gonna watch it now.
How's your chicken?
Finger looking good.
Machu Picchu. The last 10k of this walk is all on train tracks. It's so cool. Whoa. Could have been bad. He's done it a million times. We'll be there tomorrow. Wouldn't that be nice to get back? Nope. Bus for us. Look where I am right now. What? What? This is the best hike of my life. This is so cool. Big old train. Wow. Loving life right now. How are we going, guys?
Tired, but we're nearly there. The trek's nearly done.
25 minutes. This is where the trains are. I sound like I'm drunk.
Sorry.
I slur my words. I've never been as tired in my life. Aguas Calientes. What a cool town. Surrounded by mountains, absolute chaos.
I'm about to faint.
Fainting from low blood sugar. Classic, really.
Is it luxury?
Final night, our own room.
Own shower.
Aguas Calientes, baby. Let's see the shower. Come on, yeah, this is great. I'm happy.
Not wait.
TV. Day 5 done. No, what is it? Day 4 done. Machu Picchu tomorrow. Never been this exhausted in my life, and just had a shower that was life-changing. I can't move my body, and I can't use my brain. I've walked, what, 36,000 steps today?
Yep.
At like a 60-degree incline. It was just so steep, but good day.
And then we go.
Machu Picchu tomorrow, baby. We're waking up at 4 a.m. to start walking. Can't wait. The mountain awaits. Machu Picchu, here we come. Here we go. This is the day. I'm so tired. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
It's gonna be an experience. Easter of Machu Picchu. Time is at 4:30 a.m. Let's get it. It's coming on to about 5:30. Must be about halfway up the stairs now. It's not easy. It's literally just stairs. All the way, you probably can't see. We're literally inside a cloud right now. These stairs are never endless, never ending. Just keep going and going. And I keep getting wetter and wetter. Drenched from walking through the clouds and being sweaty. We're close.
We're at the top. Machu Picchu's there.
Ooh. Just went in the entry, showed our passport.
Now we climb 10 more minutes of uphill.
Oh man. Another climb. Machu Picchu should be right there. It's a bit foggy though. There's quite a few people here. It's still foggy, but we're ever hopeful. The clouds are parting, the tourists are flocking. Look how many people there are. We made it, guys. We made it.
Machu Picchu.
A couple people, right? You can see why it's popular, right?
Do you think Machu Picchu is tourist?
I think so. It's real. It exists. We were there yesterday. How do you feel to be in the ancient city?
I feel ancient.
What have you learned today?
What have I learnt? Well, I fell asleep during the first one, I'm not gonna lie. I learned you can pee with the poncho on.
I'm not gonna lie, I fell asleep as well. It's not real. Oh, walking down now. That was pretty amazing. A lot of tourists, which obviously isn't that nice. I could see it coming. So that's the path we did.
Long and wiggly.
Wow. Oh, back at the bottom. Yay! Conquered. We were all the way up there. Agua, agua, por favor.
We've conquered all of Salkantay Trek.
How long have you been here?
About half an hour. We made it. Alright. We made it back. You know what that means?
Up the gut.
Up the gut.
Up the gut.
Silence.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. That's a victory right there.
That was a taste of victory.